Hello, this is Principal Reyes, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to our 2020-2021 open house. The faculty and staff at Westbrook are working every day for a successful school year with their collaboration and cooperation. We understand this year is like no other. It has been challenging and full of opportunities for all. I am thankful that we are healthy to keep on moving up. We have the Westbrook team theme this year. Teamwork is the key to success. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. This year, we're working together to ensure student success is evident. Our students' work and scores will be the evidence we need to get back to the A spot Westbrook belongs. What you do on a daily basis is what helps the success of our students. We started this year with 106 less students than expected, with about 54% of them studying remotely from home in our Launch Ed program. At this time, we're still about 100 students below projection on enrollment, but we have about 55 in the school building now. So we have more students in the school building than at home. Our teachers are working very hard to provide the learning opportunities for our students. There have been a lot of changes which the teachers are adapting to and the students as well. For instance, just this week, we have added additional teachers for hybrid classes. This means that teachers who were teaching only Launch Ed students are now having face-to-face students as well. We are following OCPA's health guidelines to ensure health and safety. For example, every adult and student who comes into the building has the temperature check before coming in. In addition, we have hired an LPN to tend to our sick students while sending them home according to district policy based on symptoms. Everyone is wearing a mask and washing their hands properly with water and soap. Our Westbrook PTO also provided us with multiple automatic hand sanitation dispensers for each grade level in addition to art, music, and PE areas. We're currently holding also the Box Tops and Pop Tops event from Westbrook PTO. Please send or bring the Pop Tops to the school. Kindergarten seems to be having more than any other grade level at this point. Let's see who's going to be in. We have until Friday. Our Westbrook PTO are all parent volunteers who have the best intentions and work very hard to provide for our school. Our Path to Kindness in front of the school is a great way to leave your legacy while promoting kindness. We must continue to concentrate on the processes that spur continuing advancement, evaluating what we have, determining what we can do to improve, and identifying what we need to make those improvements. Remember, we are the best school with the best faculty and staff. Good, better, best. That's who we are. Never let it rest until your good gets better and your better gets best. Students, remember, show what you know the first time. Thank you for being part of Team Westbrook, a place of high expectations for all students where teamwork is the key to success.